It's time. We can actually add new stuff now. And I backed this up. Nothing can go wrong. I say I should do some stuff before I actually say nothing can go wrong. I'm hydrating right now. Over lunch, I was able to get my Mogu Mogu, which is probably disgusting for most, but delicious for me. 66, posture check. Hello, yes, hi. Yes, hello, hi. How was everyone's lunch? Little break? I had a salad for lunch. It was delicious. Europe, are you back for 2 weeks? Are you cooked? Well, how long's the report? How long is the report? I'm making the enemies killable, guys. We can take this off the list. Overcooked even? Oh, I love overcooked. Overcooked, great. Not in this situation though. Yeah, how much you gotta write? Make enemies killable. Yes. 2 chapters? Yeah, but how long's a chapter though? Enemy deals damage. Look at that. Look! We're taking stuff off the list. Look at that. Brilliant. It's not that long actually. Oh well, I don't think you're too cooked. If it's like 1,000 words per chapter, I think you can do it. You gotta stop talking to write though. That is fair. We do appreciate lurkers here. We do appreciate. Right. Now we have this. We can move the dummy. We can move the dummy into the, we can actually move the dummy. We could actually design maybe a nicer dummy. So I was thinking of putting this in the, but first of all, let me put myself, we don't need to test here anymore. We can move our player. I think gives you Undertale dummy vibes. It took me 2 seconds to draw, and it was just like I could have used squares, but at the same time I'm like I do like a little something visual, just a little bit. Getting that right. Where do I go? I need scenes. Here we go. I could put the dummy in here. Can I make the dummy a prefab? I should make the dummy a prefab. Where is the dummy? That dummy. Wait. Oh no, Combat Dummy is a prefab. Am I just blind? I am just blind. Smithing room. Hey, hello. Welcome on in. Cercius Dragonair? Cercius Dragonair? Very nice name. Very nice. We can drag the dummy in here, guys. Hang on. Where's my prefabs? Dummy. Combat dummy. Okay, well, the lighting isn't great. The great Dalai Lama. Will, is that you? This is the first time seeing my game. It's looking really cool. Well, come on in. Well, currently the lighting is a bit balked in this scene, but we'll, we fixed all the bugs that I created. Let me, if I go back to area 1. And I'll drag my person to the beginning. We have what you could almost class a playable game. There's no objective at this very moment in time. If I save, can I run a build? I don't think I have any errors, so this should be fine. I turn the lo-fi down. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. It's put it on the wrong screen! No! Oh my... It's put it in the wrong screen. Don't do that! No! Hang on. Hang on. You're gonna get a matrix. Okay, ignore that. Display capture. Window 2. No. We need... Bear with. We need a display capture. Yes. Ooh. That is Mahusive. It's the game. Write this down. I will show you the game of what we have so far. There we go. Yes, perfect. We have game. We'll be able to game test soon. That's a good one. If I could get a boss in, release when? Probably before Silksong. Probably before Silksong. If I can get a boss in, and it, like, the scene fleshed out, then as a little mini level test, it would be nice to release a little mini level test. It's gonna release before Silksong. Yeah, it's gonna release before Silksong. So look, I have options. They don't do anything, but we can hook those up eventually. We could go load. We even have a load bar. At least Stalis is not a myth. It's physical. It's here. It's in the flesh. We fixed most of the bugs. Everything is going to be released before Silksong. If you want any temporary background piano music, you'd love to do some for you. I'd love some. That would be amazing, Will. This is the music I currently have for it. This is sick. Thank you. This is the music I currently have. I did it on GarageBand. But like piano music would be lovely. I go in here. Press E. Like we can go into the other scene, however. Oh no, I broke it. Okay, well now we know that that's broken. I can't do anything in this scene. Oh no. Well, I would love to show you the rest of it, guys. However, I broke it. Let's try and make another build, shall we? Build and run. Break it. You can hear nothing. Let's crank up that desktop audio. How about now? You hear that? You hear that? Have I ever tried making anime? I have tried, well, I'm from an animation degree. So I have tried like animating my own stuff. Actual anime style though is so crisp and clear. Let me know if this is too loud, by the way. I need to add some like little hubs. And the footing also needs to be synced up. I can show you the health system. I want this to be a secret area. I wanna have like a breakable wall here that you can't access originally, and then when you get the sword, because you won't have this ability right off the bat. Ooh, you'll go into here. I'm not gonna go in here just yet. It's gonna break the game. You'll go in here, and then you can pick up the sword, and then you can practice on the testing dummies. And then afterwards, you can start slashing. Oh my god, ooh, there's an enemy up there. Ooh, I'm gonna get it. I do this. Oh, it's lost 2 hearts? Oh. Oh no. I got absorbed by the singularity. Oh. There we go. There's some timing issues, but that might just be because of loading. Down here. Oh, hello. What's this? Oh, that's just the background. Oh, if I... There we go. Okay, so you've lost some hearts. Along the way here. Don't worry, because there's a health thing! Spikes! Oh, I'm bad at my own game. But what is to be expected here? Well, my wall jumping sucks. Can I not actually? Oh no, I can wall jump. I just suck at it. Alright, don't die here because it's a long way back otherwise. Up, up, up. Yeah, the music doesn't loop too well, but it is just a placeholder. Look up here. I got damaged, but we can smash it. We can whack it. No, come back. Smack it, and then it explodes. But I can go down here and I can get some health. Smack the dummy as well. Yeah! And that's how far we've gotten so far. That's how far we got so far. We still have a good list of things to do. Like we have, I realize the music's now stopped. We'll turn the desktop audio down and I also have this resume, which makes everything go nice and slow. We can save and quit. It doesn't save and quit. It doesn't save and quit. It just quits. But, you know, it's nice to pretend that we have a save and quit. Shimmy this back over here. There we go! It's already so good! Thank you! It has taken a year and a bit to get to this part. Even light cannot defeat spikes. No. Love it. Thank you. Her name is Nova. She is a star. She is a fallen star. Isn't it just drawing keyframes? I mean, there's in-betweens and then there's movement. I'd say the main concept behind the difference between animating and drawing is that it's the timing. And you have to learn about easing ins and outs and then kind of understanding how things work in 3D, but then you draw them in 2D. And then obviously like there's the stretch and squash and all of that. It's like the main animation principles. There's a lot of stuff that goes into animation. I'm not about to get into the nitty-gritty of animation principles. Oh, but yeah, this is where we've gotten to. Now we can figure out why the other scene was crashing. Why do you crash? My cat just tried to get into a box and fell over. Yes, interesting. Yes. Yes, interesting. Yes. Why do you float? Project Ref is not set to an instant objective. Not this again! Not this again. Alright, what's going on? What's going on? I'm gonna delete that. That was the only thing that was causing a problem, but no, we're just hovering. Why though? Where's the player? Because the player is missing like half of its scripts. Huh? Why is the player missing like all of its scripts? That's so weird. Copy the player from another scene? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. That's so weird. Where's my player? Here. Copy. I mean, should I make a prefab of my character? Would that be a smart thing to do? I feel like it could be a smart thing to do. No, we'll just copy it. This is what they usually do, make it a prefab and then spawn it with code. Ah, so I could... I mean, I'm not gonna spawn it with code at the moment. I go back to area 1. Drag the player in here. In you go. We have player. And we can go to scenes again. Yes, sure. I'm going to delete the player. We're gone. Bye. And then going to prepare some dragon. Oh. Hello, player. What are you yelling about here? War script. We'll look at that in a sec. I need to make sure that my person isn't flying. There are 2 audio listeners. Please ensure there is exactly 1 audio listener in the scene. Doesn't like my audio listeners. Alrighty, audio source. Footsteps? Are we on about this? What don't we like? There are 2 audio listeners in the scene. Please ensure there is exactly 1 audio listener in the scene. Where are my audio listeners? I'm gonna have to Google that. What is that? Unity audio listener. Microphone-like device that receives input from any given audio source. So it's from I'm listening. Does that count? Maybe. There are too many people listening right now. Maybe it doesn't have a problem in the other thing. Would it be easier? I don't know if it's gonna like this. If I deleted this scene, copied my other area, and deleted all the stuff I didn't need, and then name it the same, it might not like that. It's dangerous when deleting things. Scary. Yeah, deleting stuff is scary. But then it would be up to date with the other scene. What is this called? I think as long as it's called Smithing Workshop, it would be fine, right? Right? If we just duplicate that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Go to area 1. Save. Teleport script on a door would be broken, won't it? Not if it's named the same thing. Surely. Yes? You can undo. You can always undo. You can always undo. And if we go into here, which now looks exactly the same. No, we have assets. Okay, that's fine. This is big. I need that to hide. Where are you, canvas? Hide. Right, take all of this. Gotta get rid of all the background. Environment. Get rid of it. Delete. Although that got rid of my door. I'm gonna have everything done but the door. Actually, let me... I get rid of this. So I can tell that it's like different when I jump in. Rid of the rock. something so I can tell the difference. I have so many layers. Onions have layers. Tabs project has layers. Right, that'll do. Right. So now if we go to area 1. Yes, I drag my player. Play. See how broken it is. What? Value cannot be null. It doesn't like it. Time to undo. Time to undo. Time to undo everything that we did. Not undo what we did. It's fine, we haven't changed anything. Close. We haven't saved this. So we can extract all. Yes. Cancel. Oh, cancel. No. Just seeing if I can undo in the scenes. It's grabbing something from the recycle bin. Gablung. Unity's stylus is already open. I think not. Okay, we're back. Back to normal. Last smithing area. What errors do we have? Yes, I know there's 2 audio listeners. But you also refuse to move. So if I delete the player again, I'm gonna create that. You still have the player prefab. Oh. Nice. Choose now. 2 audio listeners. Does not want to play. In the hierarchy at the top right, there's a search box. Hierarchy. Oh. Audio listener. Is it that I have 2 main cameras? Do I need to get rid of a camera? a smart cookie. You're a very smart cookie. Why is there 2? I don't know. I don't know. Don't know why there's 2. Now it doesn't want to play. Cause play a health bar. Gotta fill in the player scripts. Health bar should be here. Where's the health bar? Why is it yelling? Object reference not set to instance of an object. Sounds like I haven't dragged in a reference over here. What's on line 18 there? Line 18? Oh, on health bar? Let's have a look. Current health bar amount. Check it in Unity. Is either player health or current health bar, which is null. Inputs of health bars. To my UI. And there's HUD. Health bar total and health bar current. I have current, total, and container. Oh, player health, none. Container. What am I dragging into this? The health script? Oh no, it's image. What do I have in the other one? I do have the script in there. Okay. And now it's just auto-filled in. Filled itself in. Odd. Only one audio listener. What did we search for again? What we searched for audio listener. Yeah, we have two main cameras. That main camera. And this second main camera. Get rid of that. Right. Something about a destroyed object is still trying to access. That again. More bugs. Alright, what are you yelling at now? What behavior's missing? There's a door script. It's 9:23. Interactable game object. Does it not like the object I've dragged in? Do I have two doors? I do have two doors! Why do I have two doors? Oh my god, why do I have like two of some things? I'm getting rid of door one. Neat. That looks like around about the right size as well. No, it doesn't like that either. That's tooltip. Doesn't like my game object. Is there a player controller on a player? Should bloody well hope so. There is nothing on my player. Did I not just... Did I not... Where have all the... Where is... What is going on? I just dragged that prefab in, did I not? Right, this player's gotta go. Go. Shoot. Get out of here. You have the stuff, right? You do have the stuff. You have the stuff, right? Yes. Argument null exception. Health bar. Right, now it's going back on about the health bar again. That container. Player health. Right. Now it's doing the thing. Scripts. Art container. Health. No? Oh, health bar. It doesn't want it. It doesn't want to eat it. Player? Player health? Oh my god. Right. But the camera does not follow anymore. Yeah, I should check the door. Although having the camera fixed in place isn't like the end of the world. There we go. Have I removed the wrong player camera? Maybe. Maybe. It's not the end of the world though, because this is going to be quite a small room anyway. I say that, I can't move it. Oh, I can make it bigger though. Move. It doesn't want to move. Most likely, I have removed the wrong camera. So that's fine. We gotta go to our tile palette. Just gonna draw in some extra tiles. Satisfying. Wait a sec. Why is it using main camera instead of player camera? That's a good remove main camera. There's some rendering that's attached to that though, as well as an audio listener. Well, that's unusual. I can undo what happens. Yeah, it doesn't like it. It does not like that. Any black? Paint it all black. Yeah, I think what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna This is the camera. There you go. I don't think the room will be much bigger than this anyway. We can have like maybe static cameras for small indoor areas. Because then that way they'll see where they need to go immediately. So what is this thing? Player camera? That's the player camera. Follow? Is it because it's not hooked up to following anybody? Do I need to drag my player in? Because I replaced the player. Yeah, maybe make it follow player. Yeah. Is it because I removed the follow the player. This be the issue. Hey, that's the issue. Okay. The variable hit particle on the combat dummy controller has not been assigned. Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I know where that is. So prefabs. And that's the hit particle. Hit particle. There you go. Time to save everything. Save! Save it all! Can I whack this now? I can. Hey! 'Cause it's flying. It goes everywhere. Okay, and then if I go back here. Yes, there we go. And then we can go back here. Okay. Now I've got to figure out why this is like a freaking neon sign. Why are you so bright? Yeah, what's your material? Maybe a different material. I don't know which material is. That one. Yeah. Although really I shouldn't have it say enter, I should have it say exit, but it's fine for now. Light is configured differently on the scene, I guess. Look, this whole thing is a mess. If I can get this to work by the end of it, have like an actual playable level, then it will be like a Christmas miracle. There you go, I can read it now though. That pops up when you run over it by. Oh no, there we go. Ah, okay. The dummy is still very not seen. ECU. Very bright. Oh, hello. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Mm-hmm. Yes, off it goes! The broken bottom, I think, might need some gravity. Box collider? Yeah, do you have gravity? Is your body How do we give you some gravity, my guy? It's just floating away. Put on the box collider. Physics? Physics. Gotta turn off to-dos. To-dos. Is to-dos. Rigid body mass. Rigid body mass. There is it. Use auto mass? You should use the auto mass. Well, that should definitely be off. Or should it be unticked on the simulated? Right, simulated. Oh, gravity scale. There we go. Everything has like a gravity scale of 8, and this one had 0 for some reason. Increase the mass. Mass destruction. Yeah, there we go. Now I can run through it. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's getting there. Shall we do some artwork? Save it. We haven't changed anything in the code. That's fine. Let's do some artwork. Let's make a fancy dummy, shall we? One that doesn't look like a cartoon scribble. Oh yeah, I can show you guys something. seeing as I'm probably not gonna have a proper debut because I am not that sort of streamer, I did an actual turnaround of lo-fi. Because obviously VTubers have their own debuts and stuff like that. However, I'm using this more for a streaming purpose, not necessarily for story and lore. But I kept seeing the character turnarounds and stuff that everybody was doing of their characters. I was like, dang, I kind of want to make one. So we have my outfits. we have my booba outfits. It's fine. There's mesh on them. Like if I click here, is there a mesh? There is no mesh. I thought I put mesh on there. There isn't. Oh, I've got legs. I do have legs. I'm not just somebody at my desk. I do have legs. I got them dogs out. But yeah, I like doing character design anyway, so actually doing this was really nice and fun. And it meant I could have this as like my profile picture and stuff. It was really nice. And this is what I would use for sub things, but I don't know if I can be bothered to implement it all. It's all a lot of effort. Currently all my effort is going into making a game. Which we're gonna do now. We'll do 1,000 by 1,000, but it's not gonna need to be that big. Right, can I drag in the dummy? It's not an animation. Sprites, enemies, training dummy, training dummy. There we go. Right. We also have hold up, over. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god, this is such a long window. Put that down a bit. There we go. We have. Where would I have saved it? I did start making a background. Oh, is it in PSDs? Old workshop. Yes, we did start sketching out our old workshop background. So this would be perfect for where we want to put our training dummies. So the area really isn't going to be that big. I feel like doing the dummy first would probably be easier, quicker, faster, then we can quickly get something in. So let's do that. But this is where it will be. Technically it fits. Aesthetic? Technically it fits with the aesthetic. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. So it kind of like a panoramic type view of the room. I'm not sure how in depth in terms of detail I want to go. That's more of like an art style thing. Currently, the whole game itself is pretty. This doesn't really show it, but the game itself is pretty chill in terms of design. Take this. I could export this temporarily, and we can just pop that in as a background. RPGs. Stills, no. Just drag it in the environment. Where did I just put it? Why am I so... Why Why is my head so vacant? Oh, I see, because I didn't actually... Right, okay, hang on. Stars, assets. It's technically in area 1. So, paste it. Drag it. Did it not like me dragging it? Ah, there we go. Layer is... a background, yes. Ugh. Don't do that. Background. I want it to go behind tiles. Border and layout. Oh. Oh, I could just do this, I realize. Ooh, it's 3D. No, that didn't work. Platform, yes. Order and layer. 1. Yes. Delete it. Where is this? This whole thing? Oh, I see. I see. Right, so if we duplicate that... Yes. Oh, but that's a tile map. Oh, no, hang on. No, never mind. Have I ever played The World Next Door? I have not. What is it about? Surprisingly short and polished game. That's what I would like to do, a short and polished game. I can't even add a background though. 2D object. I never remember how to do this. Square. There we go. Sorting layer. There we go. There we go. There is something causing a very big bright light. What is that? It's a lighting system? Yes, it's you, isn't it? Yes, it's you. What glow do you have? I don't think it's you that's causing the glow. Do this. Ah, there we go. Alt. Nice. There you go. So it'd be like this. If I add those. Why is our camera so low down? Did I make it that way? It went through the wall. I went through the wall. Okay. Oh, it's because I didn't put it on the platform. I'm a wingding. If it actually had something to collide with, wouldn't it? Breaking the fourth wall, quite literally. I'm gonna box this whole thing in because I don't want people jumping out of bounds. I could see someone trying to do that. There we go. Yeah, we can't leave. Nice! Okay, that doesn't help that... Oh, because it's scaled... randomly? Is it because I elongated the camera? Is this why? Is this because I did a weird thing with the camera? That's better. I know I could shuffle it upwards. Shuffle it back upwards. No, this is the main camera would have the UI on. I am perfectly in the middle. It's just like there's too much floor. which I know is the same when you're playing a game. If you want to be slap bang in the middle. Just wondering if I can shuffle the camera for just this particular scene. Can you shuffle? Unless I don't have it follow the character. I guess I could change the lens, maybe. But yes, I wish to have a curve. I can make the camera smaller, which technically gives us less floor. Inherit position. More. Fiddly little camera things. Yeah, too much floor. Don't like it. Could just have it not look at the player. If I this is probably not going to be the best use of items. However, if I just protest square that in the middle and had player camera look at the square, how would that work for us? Too high. We can shuffle it down. Oh my god, how big is this camera? I can't change the size of that. We are staring at the middle though. That's a bit better. It's just not really moving with the player, which is fine. That's fine. Can I change the size of the... That answer is no. What we'll do is we'll squish that a little bit. I'll take a screenshot because then what I can do is I can figure out the dimensions of this. Well, of course, it's 1920 by 1080. That makes more sense. Yes. Screenshot. Screenshot time. Nice. So I do need to redesign the background a little bit. So the border actually comes to here. Oops. It's not symmetrical though. Surely there must be a way to zoom in and out this player camera. Oh yeah. Lens. How does if I crank that like all the way down here? What does that do? That is zoom in. That is zoom in. What if we do here? 74 is zoom out. I don't want to zoom out that much. This is all because the floor is too, I can see too much of the floor. What's that a sec? What if I... change it back to the player. Shuffle it up. We're going to consult Google. How to change camera position in Unity. It seems like a code thing. Add some offsets? Yeah, how would I add offsets? That's the word I'm looking for. Or I could just make it go Dutch. No. to add Unity camera offsets. Find an offset variable. Let's see the code that makes it stick to the player. Yes. Yes, I would love to show you that. I would love to show you that script if I knew where it was. Universe. There's a script there. It doesn't want me to do anything. Camera. I did drag player into a camera for it to follow. I did. It's right here. Edit script, yeah. Ooh. This is a whole other can of worms. It's too scary. Yeah, I agree. That's a can of worms we're not gonna look at today. Camera controls and whatnot. We're not looking at that today. We're not. For now. Wait, I have a really convoluted idea. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. That I have that, yeah. So if I did this. A square, like this. Oh my god. It's so stupid, but it works. Yeah. It's so stupid, but it works. Oh. That's such a silly way of doing it, but it works. God, if I ever gave this to like a freelance coder and be like, hey, could you like polish this up? They'd probably look at it and just be like, dear God, what have you done here? This isn't a game, this is a mess. And I'll be like, it works though. It works though. I need that background to just... I'm just shimmying it, aligning it where I want it to go. There we go. I wanted it like that initially. We'll just lock this off. Delicious. nice and neat. And raise. This way, when I clean up the other piece of artwork, I can just plonk it in and save over the top of it, and it should just save. Yes. Yes, there we go. Very good. Nice. Okay. And the dummy works as well. Okay, I can hit it right away, but can I move past it without hitting it? No, I do just push it. Ideally, I want that dummy to not be interactable. Or at least not interactable until we have the sword. This sounds like something for another day. What we're gonna do is we're gonna save. We're gonna draw a dummy. Because I have no idea how... Because I would love it to be able to only access the sword swing. Like once you pick up an item. Yeah, so my idea was you can't use the sword swing animation until you pick up the sword. Which we do have interactables. We do have interactables. We have the flower. We have the flower. I'm just wondering how I'd go about doing that. Like I could pick it up, but also at the same time I'm like, Let me see if I can do some stuff. Add a ball to the player, call it has picked up sword, set it to Drew when you pick up a sword. Is it that easy? Yup. No, it always sounds a lot easier when you say it. So if I went into scripts, okay. So we need a sword item. Let me just quickly. I'm literally doing this with my mouse. Do that. Gotta go. Quick. Sword. There you go. We have a sword. Hang on. Hang on. Go with. Okay. Support PG. Stylus. Unity. Assets. It's not really animations. Area 1. It's items. Did I put it in? No. I'm just gonna do this. Items. Board. Do this, and then we go to items. It's a big item! That's a big sword! Put it on the same layer as Healing Flower, so it's interactable. Very big. assuming it would also need a thingy box. Why has my mind gone completely blank? Where's my healing plant? What do you have in you, buddy? You not have a... I would have had a box collider. I'm gonna run into it at some point. Right. Let's go to scripts. Ooh. Hello. Okay, we were just discussing dinner plans. If I open up the player, control that. But I can reuse the code and confirm my healing plant thing. Where's my healing plant? Bless you! Oh no, it's interactable, isn't it? Here we go, game object, interactable. That's what I have. With a flower script. Health. No. Interactables. Health pickup. This is my health pickup script. So do we gotta make a new script called sword pick up? What am I doing? Let's have a look. Bull to the player. I have an interactable. Anywhere? Like this. Now copy all the color code from the health script to a new one. Let's see, yeah. Sword it up. Change the add health to pick up sword. And then you switch this one. Just no values. Most likely don't get the serialized field either. That. This one's done. Blackboard. Might add that. Towards the end. Oh my god, I can't type. Okay. Oh, hello, kitty cat. Ah. You don't want to go on the desk, kitty cat. The last part is where you start, where you click to start attacking. And where, oh, I don't think that's in this one. I think that's in... Combat. Input. Track combat input. Yep, must here. Yes, here, yes. Plan 45, this one. Ah. And player controller has picked up sword. Yeah. Yes, that makes sense. Let's try. Get component Lord. Oh no, hang on. Player control. There we go. I'm clicking and I can't attack. Apparently I can't pick it up. I need to be able to pick up the item. What did I do with... my healing flirt? Did I attach the script? Sword pickup script? Do I not need a box collider? Pretty sure I do if I need to collide. Yup. Bring in the healing. Ma'am, why are you not? We have on you. Sprite renderer, box collider, animator, and script. Okay. Not any on any particular layer either, but kinematic collider. The other one doesn't have a kinematic collider. Well, I can find it on here anyway. Trigger. This trigger. This trigger. Yes, right. Hang on. Let me see if the is trigger is the key. I picked it. Hey, it was the is trigger. Okay, now we can... Nice. Now we can... Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Right. So if I... Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Go back to area 1. Yes, so... Where are we? Did I put myself back in the hole? I did. Just for testing purposes. Take the player. Put them over here. I can't attack. Can't attack. Picked it up. I can attack! Yeah! Oh my god, this is so cool! Ah! There's now technically a mini mission in this game now. You have to get the sword. You have to get the sword. Now go back and check. I'll go back to the scene. Go backwards and forwards, make sure it works. So it doesn't save it. However, if I go back to area 1, let me see if I can go backwards and forwards a few times. Oh. Let's see if I can sword through here. No, I can't. Can't sword when I leave. Public static? Where am I putting that? The has sword variable. Where do I set public static? This one. This one public. In player controller. Has picked up store. Instead of public bool, public static. Like that. No, it doesn't like that. Oh, I see. I see. Errors. What does it not like? Line 45. Combat controller. Why don't you like this? PC changed it to player controller. But it says here PC is player controller. Player controller has. What PC has. The PC equals player controller. God dang. Let's try. Let's try. Can't do swingies. You go in. Still can't do swingies. Grab the item. Now we can swing. We can swing! Right, now let's test to see if we can... First do that, yes. Now I've just got to run around and see if we can kill enemies with it. It's fine, because we have health. It would help if I was good at my own game. I suck at my own game. There we go. Excuse me, sir. I can injure. Can I murder? Yeah! It's a dirty hack, but it works. I mean, isn't this entire code just a dirty hack all slapped together? Okay, save. Save. For the love of God, save. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, that's so cool. That we can't use the attack until we get an item. You can change it to true to always start with a sword. No. But I guess what you mean is like if I need to test it and I need to have the sword to be able to test something, then I can just set it to true. Yes. Which I should probably leave a note to myself then, because I will forget. Where have I set it to false? Yeah. Yes, kitty cat. There you go. Just a reminder for myself. Oh, kitty cat, you hungry? Time for your bin-bins. It's time for bin-bins. Nice. That's good. That was really. Thank you. First comment. Thank you very much for helping. That's awesome. Not only were we able to fix everything that I broke, but we also added in something new. Yeah. Woo. Okay. That's nice. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be sorting out dinner now because my cat is staring at me like he's about to eat me. He's rubbing himself on every single surface that he can. But thank you very much for joining me. I'll take a small video and recap it and put it in the Discord probably. But yeah, thank you. We will be streaming again next Thursday. See you guys then. Bye bye.